it again. Okay, don't jump this time, just lean back, okay?
Like this?
Oh, hey, you just cracked my back.
My back cracker.
Go. That's your new job, Hayley.
It doesn't work. My back's not cracky.
Don't crack my back. Try to crack your back. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go around cracking random people's backs.
Okay, let's do this.
Hey, can we crack your back? Excuse me, I'd like to ask you a very personal question.
Please. Oh, hey, that's cool. Like, oh, no, yeah, sorry. Hayley, don't get that close to people. They're weird.
No, come here.
She wants to know if she can crack her back. She just goes like this. That's right. She just goes like this, okay?
And then I like...
Why do you crack their back? You're telling them